Hey guys, what's going on? My name is James Mason. I just want to do a quick rundown of 3 penny stocks that I see potential in for a short-term swing trade. So the first one is ticker UOIP. So let me back up a second right here to this last run that it had. As you can see right here, it broke across that upper Bollinger Band and it just started taking these steps up. And right here you had a huge candlestick, and you can see how this played out before it actually dipped back down. And let's see, right here at this candlestick, it actually closed out at 1.5 cents. So just keep that in mind. Now look over here to where we're at now. So I'm going to keep an eye out on this for Monday, July 30th, and I'm going to see how this one opens. And in that beginning part of the day, I just want to see really like if it's starting to sell off or if it's starting to, take another run before I play it. But so if you look, like I said a second ago, when it started going up on that last run, it went up right here, and then you have this massive candlestick. But take notice to this candlestick. This is a full long body bullish candlestick, and I feel like there's great potential in this one going up a good bit more. So I'm gonna watch this one, and like I said, just keep an eye on these. I'm not saying for you to buy any of these, just keep an eye on them. So this next one, ticker GSAT. You can see right here, this had a solid bullish candlestick, broke across the upper Bollinger Band. This one right here, just depending on how it opens up tomorrow, I'll probably only swing trade this one maybe one day. And like I said, I need to see how this opens up. I need to see if it's starting to sell off in the beginning part of the day, and I'll play it depending on how it's moving. But this one I'll more likely only take just a one-day swing trade in it. And my last one, ticker NAK. You can see that it stepped up right here, broke the upper Bollinger Band, and I would kind of expect this one to start stepping up, and I'll probably play this one out for probably about 2 to 3 days just to see how it ends up. Because if you look back here, it really doesn't like to hang out for too long above this upper Bollinger Band before it wants to start coming back down. So, this is just one that I'll have to pay very close attention to if I actually get into this, just to see how this starts, moving around. So this one actually could potentially just turn into a day trade for me. But so those are my 3 penny stocks that I see potential in for tomorrow, July 30th, for a short-term swing trade. So again, I'm not saying to buy these, but they're worth keeping an eye on. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.